wonderful friends! Do you know what shapes are? Can you name any? Shapes are all around us. They're in the buildings we see, the toys we play with, and even in the food we eat. Shapes are the basic forms of everything in our world. Imagine a world without shapes. It would be like trying to draw a picture without a pencil, or build a sandcastle with no sand. Would you like to explore this colorful world of shapes with me? Let's see. We have circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, diamonds, ovals, pentagons, hexagons, and many more. Just saying these names feels like a fun tongue twister, doesn't it? Each of these shapes has its own unique characteristics that make it special. We'll be diving into each one, discovering what makes them unique, and where we can find them in our everyday lives. Great job! Now, we're going on a shape adventure. Look around you. Can you find anything that looks like a circle or a triangle? Now, let's get to know these shapes a bit more. A circle is a perfect round shape. Imagine a pizza or a big, shiny sun. See? Circles are everywhere. Now, what about triangles? Triangles have 3 sides and 3 corners. Think about a slice of pizza or a mountain peak. Isn't it fun to find these shapes around us? But what makes a circle, and a triangle a triangle? Well, a circle is special because no matter where you look, it's always the same distance from the center to the edge. And a triangle? It's unique because it's the only shape with just 3 sides and 3 corners. So, remember, circles are like pizzas and suns, and triangles are like pizza slices and mountains. Fantastic! You found circles and triangles. Now, let's move on to the next shapes. Now, can you find anything that looks like a square or a rectangle around you? Let's take a moment to imagine. Can you think of your favorite storybook, or maybe a piece of chocolate? Those are usually shaped like a rectangle. And how about a square? Picture a typical window, or your favorite board game. They are usually square-shaped. But what makes a square or a rectangle unique, you ask? Well, a square has 4 sides that are all the same length. It's like a perfect team where everyone is equal. Now, a rectangle is a bit different. It also has 4 sides, but 2 sides are longer than the other 2. It's like a family, where the parents are taller than the kids. So, squares and rectangles are very special shapes with their own unique qualities. Amazing! You found squares and rectangles. Ready for more shapes? How about a diamond, an oval, or a pentagon? Can you spot any of those shapes? Now, let's see. A diamond shape. It's like a square standing on one of its corners. Can you picture that? It has 4 sides of the same length. But unlike the square, its corners are not right angles. Isn't that interesting? Now, let's talk about the oval. An oval is a round shape, much like a circle, but it's a bit stretched out. It's like when you pull a rubber band from both ends. Can you think of anything around you that's oval? Perhaps an egg or a watermelon? And next one, we have the pentagon. A pentagon has 5 straight sides. Can you imagine that? It's like a house with a triangular roof and a square base, but all in one shape. Wow, you're really good at this. Let's find the other shapes. Can you find a hexagon? It might be a bit tricky, but I believe you. Let's go on a little adventure and see if we can spot this shape in our world. First up, the hexagon. Hexagons are super cool because they have 6 sides. Yes, that's right, 6. Imagine a little bee buzzing around a beehive. Did you know that the cells in a beehive are shaped like hexagons? This shape might be a bit harder to find than a circle or a square, but that's what makes it so much fun. It's like going on a little treasure hunt, and the treasure is all around us. I'm impressed! You found the shape. Now, let's find some fun shapes. Can you spot a heart or a star shape? These shapes might not have a specific number of sides, but they're some of the most magical shapes around. First up, the heart shape. Hearts are often seen on Valentine's Day and represent love. You might see a heart shape on a card, in a picture, or maybe even in a cloud if you're really lucky. Next, let's look for a star shape. Stars twinkle in the night sky and have 5 points. Can you imagine a star shining brightly in the sky? These shapes are fun to find and add a touch of magic to our shape adventure. Wow, you did it! You found the heart and star shapes. That's amazing. Now, it's time to remember all the shapes we've learned today with a fun rhyme. Let's start our rhyme. It's going to be a fun time. In the world of shapes, there's so much to see. Circle, triangle, square, heart, star, all set sail. A circle is like the sun, so round and bright. A triangle's like a mountain, with peaks of great height. A square is like a box, with corners 4. A heart is full of love, forevermore. A star is up in the sky, twinkling at night. A rectangle's like a door, with 2 sides more. A diamond looks like a kite. Let's fly a kite. An oval's like an egg, smooth and white. Pentagon's like a house, with 5 sides neat. Hexagon's like a honeycomb. Oh, so sweet. Remember these shapes? Isn't that neat? Great. That's our shape adventure. Remember, shapes are everywhere. Keep exploring and have fun. Bye, friends.